Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. Today we are going to be restoring this beautiful, lovely anvil, grinding off, or taking a wire brush with the angle grinder, taking off all the paint, all the rust, everything, and then I got some nice high temperature spray paint to come back. It's a nice black finish. I'm going to be covering all the sides with, making sure to keep the top clean obviously, and just make sure it doesn't rust. So other than that, let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see here, there's some lettering here. I believe this would be from the person who welded this up. I'm assuming I also welded this since this is all the same color. However, I want to know what this says, because I'd like to look into this, just see where this came from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the piece of paper, set it over, just take the marker and scribble over it and hopefully get some of the lines. However, before I do that, I'm just going to tape it to the end here. What this anvil actually is, I didn't know this at first, because when I bought this, this was all painted over and I only saw these few numbers. But, so what this is actually a Peterite patent solid wrought iron anvil. It does have a heat-treated high carbon top that is heat-treated and very hard. It has a wonderful rebound. And what these numbers mean down here, so this is 120 pounds, but since there's a 0, that means that it's under 120 pounds. This is a quarter of the weight, multiplied by 3, because this second number here is what you'd multiply the quarter of the weight, which is 84, because this is 28 pounds, because 3 times 28 is 84, and then you add 23 to this number, so 23 pounds, which makes this anvil, when it was made, I don't know if any material's been removed or not, I'm assuming so probably, but yeah, so this anvil works out to be about 107 pounds when it was stamped. So that's some nice high heat spray paint for metal, so let's get back to it. Alright guys, so I'm back. I only took one video for putting on the first coat. However, I came back repeated times. I think I put about 6 or 7 coats on this anvil. I did put a few more on at the top here just so it's less likely to chip. But yeah, I might come back and if I feel up for it one day, I might come back with some different colored paint and just paint in what this says, just for, you know, aesthetics. But yeah, so I did get everything all painted, even under here's painted. Everything's done. I took the anvil grinder, shined it up a little bit. So this is it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below for future video ideas, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And other than that, have a wonderful day.